In this video, let me show you how to use the Chase auto loan payment on the application. So if you're trying to pay the auto loan that you have within the Chase mobile app, in this video, let me show you how it is done. Now you can either do a one-time payment or you can also schedule a recurring payment within the application of Chase. So what you need to do is just head over to your dashboard. You'll be able to see the auto loan option being enabled. You can just tap on the pay loan option. And as I said, you can either select the one-time payment or the recurring payment. If you haven't yet added in your bank account or have not added in or linked your bank account, make sure you do that. So you'll be able to see a similar screen being displayed whenever you add in the amount, and if you are specially scheduling the payment, you can exactly add in the amount that you're trying to schedule, and this automatic payment or the scheduled payment will be made on the exact date that you selected. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to use the Chase auto loan payment on the application. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.